How to unblock contacts on WhatsApp. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can unblock contacts on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch this video till the end. If you would like to unblock contacts from WhatsApp, it's very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then open the WhatsApp Messenger application, and once you've done this, what you want to do is you have to just tap the three dots option from the top right and go to settings. Now depending upon which device you're using, the settings could vary, because on iOS or iPhones these settings is at the bottom right. Once you're here, what you basically want to do is go to this option known as privacy, and when you go to privacy over here you will be able to find all options. Scroll and then look for block contacts option. Just long press the profile here, tap on unblock, and that person is going to get unblocked, and you can repeat the process for other contacts as well. This way you'll be able to unblock contacts on WhatsApp. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.